I'm alive. You put plants in different sections. Like the cucumbers we had all summer, and it rewards you every morning. 2 or 3 cucumbers were out there. You water it and take care of it and it'll reward you. And that's life in general. It's a cycle that goes around. I do the concreting, I do the paving. It gives me the biggest satisfaction out, and painting. Just to be different. I go in all our street, no one's got painted bricks. And then I go, I know that house, it's mine. If I don't go out in the garden, I start apologising to the plants and go, I'll water you, and I've got 40 bags of chicken manure. I don't know the guy's name, but I call him Chicken Manure Man. And when I put the manure in, I see the plants grow bigger. I would have most probably committed suicide if I didn't have my garden. My art is I can create in a garden, rotate the plants, crochet, do a blanket with all different squares, but I can actually say I made it. No one helped me. I made it myself. No one can take that away from me now. Now, when I've got excess fruit, I put it on the footpath and say, help yourself. And it gives me the biggest thrill to give it away. Not for someone to take it away from me and say, you're not entitled to it. And I get rewarded. Where in my life, when I was younger, growing up, even with kids, I was never rewarded for anything. Well, they used to call it that room near the kitchen, and then I christened it, not last night, the night before. They call it the Glasshouse, but a couple of weeks ago, the boss came and said, oh, I've got a bit of money for it. And I go, nah, I'm Greek. I've got to go and see if we can get some freebies first. We've got the raised garden beds. So we've got our lemon tree, our mandarin tree and the herbs, and that's why I'm in the middle of it. My motto is when we get tomatoes and cucumbers, I'll put a sign up, if you want the fruit, water me. I also collect wool and crocheting bits. I carry my crocheting everywhere, it's part of security. If I didn't, one time when we came to Arts Access, I didn't have it, I went berserk. It's part of security. And I like walking in when the plants are established and say, hi guys, how you going? Do you need water or fertiliser? They talk to me. I know it might sound crazy, my plants talk to me. I'm really centred when my feet and hands are in the dirt. I remember when I started my garden a few years ago, I had a bit of dirt and I'm chucking the dirt up in the air and saying, I've got dirt, I'm alive. Made me feel so good. And I know it's only dirt, but a lot of people will say it's only dirt. But to me it means a lot. It makes me feel good when I've got something going. That my life's not wasted, that I mean something to the world. If I didn't have my gardening, I don't know what I would have done. When I'm on a low, I don't go outside at all. But when I'm on a high, I go outside and I start apologising and I get stuck into it and they reward me. And they go, we haven't forgotten you, we need you. Don't give up. That's how I read my garden.